3 years ago, someone left a comment on one of our posts. If there will be an option to buy with cart, with wheels, hose holder, etc. That comment is the reason this exists. This is how it got built. Every sketch, every prototype, everything we got wrong along the way. That comment wasn't a one-off. The same request kept showing up. Different posts, different people, same ask. So we went looking. What's already out there? The honest answer, not much. Most people end up building their own, sourcing parts from 3 different places, round after round of trial and error. A weekend project that turns into a month. We wanted to take that off your plate. One unit, out of the box, built to work. The brainstorm went everywhere. Hose reel on the bottom, pressure washer on top, integrated DI system, because that request kept coming in too. We killed the DI idea. It made the cart heavy, and shipping a unit that size stopped making sense for what most of you actually need. What survived was 4 non-negotiables. 1, it had to move. Real wheels, real terrain. 2, it had to feel solid. 3, it had to work with our pressure washers and the third-party pressure washers a lot of you already own. 4, dedicated storage. Those 4 became the brief. Everything that came next had to clear all 4. Concept 1, put the hose reel on the bottom and the pressure washer on top. We took the sketch and turned it into a real build so we could put hands on it. 2 things went wrong fast. There was nowhere to put your gear, storage had been an afterthought, and you could feel that. And the wheels, we'd spec'd 4 small casters. The moment we tried to roll it across a driveway with weight on top, it was over. It didn't handle bumps, it didn't track straight, it wasn't something anyone was going to want to push around. Prototype 1 told us what we already half knew. Mobility isn't a nice to have, and storage isn't an afterthought. Those 2 lessons drove the next pass. Concept 2, flip the whole thing. Pressure washer on the bottom, hose reel on top. That one decision changed everything. Lower the center of gravity, so it's easier to push. And most importantly, it opened up real estate in the back of the cart. A dedicated storage shelf built in. We swapped the 4 small casters for 2 10-inch black wheels and 2 locking casters. Added a handle. Now it rolled the way it was supposed to, over cracks, over transitions, over gravel. On paper, the cart wasn't finally what we said it would be. Then we built it. Prototype 2 landed. The frame was solid. The layout worked. The wheels moved the way we wanted. But there's a difference between a prototype that works and a prototype that ships. The wheel pin locks weren't secure. The pins kept falling off mid-roll. Small thing, not a thing you ship. The last pass was about the details that decide whether something actually gets used. We respec the wheel pin locks. The pins stay where they're supposed to. They're not coming off. We also changed the wheel design. We added a net across the accessory storage to help keep secure the accessories. Easy details to overlook. The kind that quietly decide whether a product earns its spot in your garage long term. The active wash cart and hose reel. It moves the way it's supposed to. It's solid. It works with our pressure washers and the one you already own. And the storage we promised is right where it should be. This started with a comment. The next one might too. We're going to keep building in the open, every sketch, every prototype, everything we get wrong. If you want to see how the next one gets made, hit subscribe and stick around. We'll see you on the next build.